Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, and I am here to present the line dance Lovers Interlude. The song is Lovers Interlude. The artist is October London. The choreographer is Wendy DOTSON McKinney. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, I'll post the instructional at the end of this video. Last but not least, let's mess it up. Soul Line Dancing and myself present a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now, and you can book your room right now. For details, everything happens at our website. Please go over to www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go, Lovers Interlude. That's it. Nice and smooth. Only 2 parts. Lovers Interlude. I'll post the instructional here. Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website for all the details, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.